This Artisan Realtors property video is presented by Tony Papalia. This home is for the buyer who demands everything, but refuses to pay a fortune for it. Serene water view from sunroom. Vaulted great room that beams with light, formal dining / great room / kitchen, open floor plan that is inviting and practical, outdoor living space. A 4-car garage. Enormous basement with high quality finishes. Large landscaped private lot. Modern master bath and bedroom on main level. We could go on forever. Enjoy your tour. For more information, review the details below.